Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making classic creamed spinach. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1/4 cup of salted butter, 1 pound of spinach leaves, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Okay, you want to heat your pan on medium-low heat. And we're going to add our butter in, and we're going to let that melt. Now you want to begin to add your spinach into the pot. I know it seems like a lot, but it will start to wilt. Now, go ahead and add your lid over top. And we're going to let that steam for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, I'm going to take the lid off. As you can see, it's cooked down. So now we're going to add in our minced garlic. We're going to mix that around. And now your all-purpose flour. We'll go ahead and put that in. Guys, make sure you mix it until it's well combined. I'm going to mix for 90 seconds up to 2 minutes. Once that's all mixed, you want to pour in your heavy whipping cream. Now the flour is going to act as a thickening agent, so as you move it around and mix it, it'll start to thicken up. Okay guys, we're going to turn it off now. We're going to add our salt, also our pepper, and we're going to go ahead and mix that through until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add my ground nutmeg and also my Parmesan cheese, and all I'm going to do is mix until the cheese is melted. Okay guys, so here we have it, our classic creamed spinach. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, and until next time, This is Nana, the saucy chef.